To create an item that doesn't exist, you need to put in a UPC code that does not exist within the system. We do have configuration that will normalize UPC items, meaning that it will expand the UPC to the 13 digits based on a specific setting. This setting is on by default, so when I do enter in the UPC code of an item, it will expand it to the 13 digits. I'm going to start by creating an item, so I will give my item 222 as the number. I run my filter. It does not find the item, so I have an add UPC box that will open up. Fill all the tables will fill all of the tables based on the item that is currently on the screen, which I do not have one. I'm going to skip this and I'll go into this later. So I'm going to go to blank all tables. I'm going to put in the description of my item. It's going to be Kiki cat food beef. It is a 50-gram container. Now if I want to add my POS description, I can double click in the box and it will concatenate the descriptor and the size into a POS description. Every item in the database needs to have a subdepartment or the item will not be usable at the lane. So I've already created a subdepartment called animal food. The item is linked to the subdepartment. The subdepartment is linked to the department. So I'm going to choose my 32 animal food here, which is my subdepartment. If I want to look at my subdepartments, they're up here in the auxiliary subdepartment. I'm going to go and find my 32 so I can search by code. I have my 32 positions here. I expand it and I can see here that I have my subdepartment 32, which is linked to my department 10. And then I apply it. Programming for an item can either be done on the subdepartment level or it can be done on the item level. The advantage of programming an item on a subdepartment level is that you then need to handle only the exceptions. So for my cat food, I will say it's taxable 1 and taxable 2. I'm going to apply that with the Apply Changes button. And I have my Follow Subdepartment flag already on my product. This product will follow the subdepartment programming here. Alright, so what else do I need to put in for my item? Well, basically, I need a price. So my price is going to be 59 cents. I can see that the next price is going to be 59 cents as of the 7th of December 2011. I need to deploy this change so that it's available at the lane. So I can go to Preference, Deploy Changes, and the item will be available at the lane. Now I'm going to sell the item that I created at the lane. I can put in my 222 POU code. I can see now that I have my Kiki beef cat food, subtotal it, and I'm going to cash it out. So I've created an item that is now available at the lane to be sold.